Artificial intelligence does not run on magic. It does not run on slogans. It does not run on the cloud. AI runs on chips. And those chips depend on minerals, wafers, memory, packaging, power, water, factories, export controls, data centers, and global supply chains. That is the hidden truth behind the AI economy. Every chatbot, every AI agent, every autonomous workflow, every enterprise AI platform, every model training run, every inference call, all of it depends on physical infrastructure. And if executives and boards do not understand that infrastructure, they do not fully understand their AI strategy. The AI chip is not just a technology component. It is becoming a strategic industrial asset, a financial market driver, a national security issue, a supply chain risk. The world is not simply competing for smarter AI. The world is competing for the physical capacity to run AI. That means advanced chips, high bandwidth memory, advanced packaging, lithography machines, copper, silicon, specialty gases, rare earths, gallium, germanium, water, electricity, and the factories capable of turning all of it into usable compute. This is the red zone. The red zone is where leaders must identify risk before it becomes a crisis. The deeper risk is whether the world can produce enough AI infrastructure to support the demand. The raw materials come from global supply chains. That chain is fragile. And it is concentrated. Advanced manufacturing is heavily dependent on a small number of global players. High bandwidth memory is dominated by a few suppliers. Advanced packaging remains a bottleneck. Critical minerals face geopolitical exposure. And energy demand from AI data centers is rising fast enough to stress local grids. AI strategy is now supply chain strategy. Executives must stop thinking about AI as a subscription. AI is a life cycle. It starts in the ground. It moves through refining and fabrication. It requires memory, packaging, and massive electricity. By the time the business sees the AI output, the physical economy has already done the heavy lifting. This is the yellow zone. The yellow zone is proof. Not hype. Not unlimited AI experimentation. Proof. Before scaling AI, leadership must ask, who supplies our compute? What chips sit behind our roadmap? What happens if prices rise? These are no longer technical questions. These are capital allocation questions. You may be buying exposure to semiconductor shortages. That is why every major AI investment must include a compute cost model. Full cost, chips, cloud, tokens, and energy. For Wall Street, the AI chip race has created enormous value. But that value is concentrated around choke points and leading-edge foundries. When supply tightens, prices rise. When export controls shift, markets react. This is how Wall Street becomes Main Street. AI chip demand can become household price pressure. That is the meaning of chipflation. This is the green zone. The green zone is GAN readiness. By 2035, the strongest enterprises will understand the infrastructure. They will treat compute like capital, not like an invisible utility, like strategic infrastructure. The immediate actions are clear. Build an AI compute inventory. Tier AI workloads by business value. Track cloud and token spend. Use expensive models only where they are justified. Review vendor concentration. Build energy assumptions into your business cases. Because a model that works technically may fail economically, and a strategy that ignores chip supply may fail operationally. From 2026 to 2035, the AI chip market will move through several phases. Only the disciplined buyers and strongest suppliers survive. The winners will be companies that know how to govern and optimize compute. The losers will treat it as someone else's problem. The framework is simple. Red, identify risk. Yellow, prove economics. Green, govern compute as strategic infrastructure through 2035. AI strategy is now chip strategy. Chip strategy is now supply chain strategy. And economic strategy is now board accountability. The companies that understand that AI is physical will have the advantage. Because AI may look digital, but its future is physical. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the next episode.